What's going on, good people? I got a payout last night with Financial Liquidity. I invested 50 and received 300. How does that sound? And what I did was I reinvested that money because I want to build an income. I want my money to work for me. With all this talk about Black Wall Street, this is what you should become a part of. The education system in the United States is not right. We are supposed to make our money work for us, not work for money. With financial liquidity, your money will work for you. All you have to do is follow the system. Follow the system. And I'm gonna make $50,000 based on $50. It's a process, but it's gonna take place. You better come on. Let's get Black Wall Street going once again. Get on this financial liquidity. It's real. Peace.